How to get a YouTube video transcription for free with WhisperAI and Google Collab.
Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to get a transcription of a YouTube video using WhisperAI and Google Collaboratory. First, you're gonna need to have a Google account to access Google Collaboratory. After you have logged into Google account, you can go to the link provided below. It doesn't even need any coding knowledge to use it. So the first thing you need to do is connect to the GPU. After you have successfully connected to the GPU, you can check the GPU type. It shows that you're using Tesla T4 GPU. Then you can install libraries. This will take a while. Now I have successfully installed libraries. It took me 2 minutes here. After that is done, I can optionally save data to Google Drive if I want to. I'm not going to do it now. Now I can select the model. For English language, you can select smaller models, so it will create the transcript faster, like at 16 times faster than the largest model. But on Google Collab you can run largest model as well. So for example, if you are trying to transcribe a video that is not in English language, so you might need at least medium or even large model. So for this time I am transcribing an English video, so I'm going to use base model. And now I need to not forget to run the cell. Now I need to select the video. I am going to try to get a transcription of this YouTube video, 30 minutes of English conversation practice. I write the link of the video. Now I run the cell. Now I need to run the model. So if my video is in English, I can select the language English. I can also select auto detection. Maybe the video is in different languages, or I don't know the language. Or if I know the language, I can select the language that I want. But this time the video is in English, so I am going to select English. Now I am going to keep all the other parameters as they are for now. And I can run this cell, run the model. It is going to take a while. Now I can see the text generating. Now I can see the text has been generated, the entire transcription for the entire video. So I can just copy all the text and I can use it. But also remember that if you want to change the model, you need to select a different model, rerun the model, and also if you want to select a different video, you need to select a different video and run the cell again. Also, if you selected a different video, you need to select the language and rerun the model again.
Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed my video. I hope you find it useful. Make sure to subscribe and check out my blog with the link with the description.